At Cody's Original Roadhouse at Wesley Chapel, you don't need a special occasion to enjoy one of our sizzling hand-cut porterhouse steaks or our tender, fall-off-the-bone baby back ribs served with our award-winning Cody sauce. Maybe you want to spice it up with a sizzling platter of steak or chicken fajitas. Whatever you choose, start it off right with our bottomless salad and sweet yeast rolls. Just be sure to leave room for our Cody's chocolate slide. Cody's Roadhouse, where quality and value come together. 27405 Wesley Chapel Boulevard, Wesley Chapel.